Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 108 in the Allure specification that we've just taken in part exchange. So this vehicle is free to tax, and some of its features include 15-inch alloy wheels, keyless entry, tinted rear windows, there's a colour reversing camera, and inside the car you've got DAB digital radio, there's Bluetooth connectivity, air conditioning, automatic headlights, and you also get a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car has the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. It's done under 15,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.